Well, I just realized our hotel is on a road called what?
Oh man, I can't remember the name, but it's real funny.
It's called Bloody Gulch.
Oh, that's it.
We are not going to consider that an omen.
Yeah, it sounds like when you get kicked in the taint. That's what I would call it. Like, oh, I got a bloody gulch.
Kicked in the taint. Well, those kind of comments are reserved for me, man. I don't know
We'll edit that part.
All right. No, don't edit that out. That's kind of... A lot of people won't even know what the heck a taint is. What's your taint?
Taint? That's easy. It's the area between your testicles and your butt. Taint ass, taint balls.
There you have it. We have defined taint. You can now find it in Webster's dictionary.
All right, how about you?
All right.
Good.
They didn't check me off just yet. The other guys that came through. I don't know if it matters.
Oh no, I'm doing
The actual text. Okay. Yeah.
check, and then somebody will come and check your lights.
Okay.
Then they'll come and put your numbers on. It's a whole process.
That's okay.
All right, how fast?
I'm gonna say 9.
All right.
If we hit 8s, that would be a good day.
And HRA license.
Do. I was hoping to extend it today, but I don't know if that'll happen.
Concrete cracks beneath the strain. Pressure building in my brain. Another day, another war. Don't know what I'm fighting for.
Let me see the ingenuity you did with your battery.
Oh, sure.
You see that all day long, right? Ingenuity?
Absolutely. Sometimes I have other words for it too.
Yeah.
So I need you to label that push off. 'Cause it probably
It's
pushes
labeled
off.
on the handle itself. Is that okay?
I see it. Yes, that's fine.
Battery. I did my research, I think.
Oh, nice. Challenging.
Except for filling out the form.
not
yeah.
challenging.
He just said he did. Now I got to try. Now I got to find something because he done research.
Yeah.
Let's see. I'm just kidding.
No, that's all right.
All right, you are good to go, sir.
Thank you very much.
All right, you guys have fun, okay?
Thank you.
What's
All
happening?
right, well, what do you think, man?
I think we're good. Look, we're good to the 850 class.
Yeah? Nice.
Yes. Not that I think we're going to be able to do that just yet, but yeah, this is a huge milestone.
That's it. So how many months of work is that?
This is 2 years, Ken.
2 years.
Remember, we dragged this thing out January of last year to make it to Drag Week that we failed. Everyone knows that. But yeah, so this is huge. And especially, it's kind of like you said, it feels so much better with all those struggles we had Friday night and then with the tow truck and then again the next day. But we're still not ready. We need to figure out if we're going to run the fuel pump that I changed everything over to, or run this fuel pump and change it back, or a hybrid of the two. I don't know. But I think the first thing we're going to do, so you don't have to be a little Dutch boy again, is maybe hit up the Summit trailer and get a shut-off valve for the fuel tank. You know, that might be a...
Oh, I like that idea.
Right?
And so does the grass.
So does my wallet, you know, race fuel prices, even premium. We ran here on pump gas, and where was it? We were in Pennsylvania. It was like $5 a gallon, over $5 a gallon for premium. And this car can run on E85, but I couldn't find it anywhere. All the cornfields in the world, no ethanol fuel. But yeah, so we're almost there. We're gonna get finished checked through here. We'll get this thing to whatever area we're gonna set up, and we're gonna start a game plan to figure out how we can get down this drag strip today and get some licks in. Guys, don't forget, like, subscribe, share my videos, leave me a comment in the videos. I'd love to hear them. I know many of you guys that have been followers to my channel, it's been mostly DIY videos. I'm still doing that. This is just something that I always wanted to do. I'm glad to have my father-in-law here with me for my first one, and I think it's gonna be an exciting trip, guys.
This is your own DIY.
Yeah, this is my DIY. So follow us on my channel. I'm going to post every day, at least try to, and as well as Freedom Plus, you can watch the whole event on that. So stay tuned, guys. Let's see how we go.
Headlights, turn signals, brake lights, the whole works.
How about hazards?
No, I don't care about hazards. How about left?
Not on?
Get the key on?
Yeah, the bulb has been giving me funny things. You got it back there though, right?
you got it.
Yeah.
All right. About brake lights?
Brake lights. Wiring and everything.
Horn?
Give it a
A lot of piping.
A lot of piping. All handmade.
Nice. Yeah, you just can't order up a turbo kit.
No, mostly because I wanted to keep air conditioning. That's what made it really hard. Look at this man in his suit, ripping wheels off, ready to go. All right, so we're kind of rushing here. We're trying to get a run in. Oh, you got one, Ken? Trying to get a run in. I'm trying to get this thing set back up with the shocks in the right position. Though I just realized I didn't lower the shock on the other side, which we still have to do. So I gotta jump back there. But yeah, we're just trying to make things happen. So just wanted to update you guys real quick where we're at, and we're gonna try to get in the lanes.
Okay. Well, we got approval for you to run the test run.
Yeah,
It's your first time taking this thing on the track.
it's true. It's the very first time. We struggled a lot trying to get it ready to this point. I think our tire pressures might be a little low from the looks of things, but we're here, so we're just gonna take it down, see what it does, and we'll go from there.
There he is, behind the net. The man behind the net.
I wish I peed first.
I told him, I said, it's your first time running this car. You had it since you were 14, and you're super excited. And they said, this is exactly what it's all about.
Okay.
This is the time of your life, man. It's your moment.
Yeah?
Yeah,
All right.
yeah. We're excited about this.
Okay.
Keep calm, do everything you practice.
All right.
We'll coast through a 1394 to 71 miles an hour. And it looks like we have one pair. In our C group, and then we'll do a little bit of racetrack touch-up. Get ready for the D as in Dodge group. Again, D as in Dodge, your final call to the staging lanes. D as in Dodge group. The D group, your final call to the staging lanes, please. D group, your final call to the staging lanes, please.
First time we ever ran in that car. Trans Am.
1205 at 112 right side. 1268 at 122 for the Pontiac Firebird left side.
Hey, so how's it feel, champ? 12.2 and 122 miles an hour.
Yeah, that was
12.68.
That was pretty shitty.
Well, the start was a little rough, but once you got off,
I accidentally held on to the line lock button.
oh, jeez. Well,
So,
what are you gonna do, right?
Yeah, exactly.
Was it fun? Did you have fun?
Oh my god, yeah, that was a lot of fun. It is.
I'm a little emotional.
It is wobbly on these tires, I'll tell you that much.
Yeah?
That was wild.
Is that the fastest you ever drove this?
No.
No? Fastest you ever got to that quick?
I don't know. I really messed it up. Like the way I let go of the button, I almost stalled it, and then
Yeah. It's okay, man. It's first time legit.
Yeah.
With lights. Move.
with lights. I felt like I was pretty calm most of the way. Like I felt calm, and then I don't know. As soon as the light dropped, I sort of panicked. I wanted to like just feather the clutch instead of just dump it and go. Like I probably should have, which is why my 60 foot. Oh boy, yeah, my 60 foot 2.536 60 foot. So
Yeah, the start was a little rough, but so what, man? That's this thing did it, and you're still driving it back down here.
it's true, it did do it.
And you had some experience now. You know, this wasn't one that counts. This was to do exactly what you just did.
There is something funny with the brake pedal though. We're gonna have to check that out.
All right.
It's a little spongy. We're gonna check that out, see what that is. But yeah, my reaction time wasn't the greatest either. I got a 0.955 reaction time, 2.53 60 foot, 5.96 330. My eighth was 8.62 in the eighth at 96 miles an hour, which is probably what my fastest quarter mile used to be in this car.
So that's pretty good.
So that's pretty good.
Yeah. So same speed in half, or same time in half the rate.
Yeah. So, yeah, I got beat by a stock Mustang, but my mile an hour was much faster than hers. She did it in a 12.057 at 112. I did 12.68 at 122.
That's because of the start. If you hadn't had that
start really messed me up. Yeah,
you
I
would
lost the whole second
dumped
at
her
the
in the
60
dust,
foot.
man. All right. Well, that was a test run.
Yeah.
What'd you learn? Don't push the whole button when you take off.
Yeah,
on the green
something.
light.